Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. If you are planning to build your first website in 2025 and you are wondering which hosting plan is best for beginner and WordPress, this video is for you. I will break it down in simple terms so you don't waste money or get stuck with the wrong plan. So why Hostinger? So Hostinger is one of the most popular budget-friendly hosts out there. They are known for fast, speed, easy WordPress install and super affordable pricing, which is perfect when you are just starting out. As you can see their pricing, but when you land in their website, you will see a bunch of plans: single, premium, business, then cloud startup. So which one should you pick? So there is several things where it plays a role to select this plan. So let's talk about the best plan for beginners. So if you are building on small site and single web hosting plan can work, but it is pretty limited. You can only get one website on email account and no free domain, so you will probably outgrow it fast. So here you can see, if you choose this premium plan, you will get these tools, AI website builder, then 25 website, manage hosting WordPress, then free 7-day horizon trial, 25 GB SSD storage, and hosting a website builder. Free domains you will get US dollar, and free automatic website migration you will get in this entire plan. It's called premium. Everything you need to create your first website. For most beginners, the premium web hosting plan is the sweet spot. Here's why: you will get up to 25 website here. Then, so you are not logged into just one. You will get free domain for the first year that saves your extra money. Then you get unlimited bandwidth, more email accounts, and better performance than the single one. It is only a few bucks more per month, usually around $2 or $3 a month if you sign up for 12 months or longer. So for the most people starting a blog portfolio or a small business site, premium is the best value. What about the business? If you are starting for like choosing the plan for the business, then I will go, like, you might see the business web hosting plan tool. Like here you can see this is the business one. So it is great if you expect more traffic, run a small online store, or need extra resource. It comes with more storage, better performance, and daily backups. But if you're just launching your first WordPress site, don't have big traffic yet, you probably don't need it right away. You can always upgrade later as your site grows. So here you can see all the features. As you can see, if you want to go with this AI plan, business plan. So now let's talk about the WordPress installations. One thing I love about hosting it is that WordPress comes pre-installed if you want it. When you finish your checkout, they give you step by step: pick a domain name, set up your WordPress site with just a few clicks, no manual setup needed. And actually you just need to be choose from free WordPress theme and start customizations. Hosting a dashboard is super beginner friendly. Like, let's go and let's try to log in here. Just click over here and choose our Google platform, and here actually you will see the dashboard panel, and you will find out that how beginner friendly hosting a dashboard is. You don't need to mess with complicated setting. I hope you understand the thing. So here's my quick advice: if you are brand new, skip the single plan, it's too limited. If you are building your first WordPress site, go with premium hosting. It is the best value for beginner in 2025, and then upgrade to business later if you need more power or run an online store. If you found this helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe for more beginner friendly guides, and drop a comment below. What kind of website are you building this year? Thanks for watching and good luck with your site.